Back in 2011, that was a lifetime ago in Mo Farah's career that Jeilan outkicked, and now it changes.
It's Tomo, Chris Thompson, Mo Farah's pal, who thinks, well, come on, let's give a bit of a go here. And isn't that crazy that it's the other Brit who decides to have a go? Gebrhiwet, Mo Farah, then we've got, just on the outside of Birmingham, Alamirew. Kiptoo on the inside, Kipsiro there. Jeilan has gone out the back door pretty quickly, so that's a bit of a surprise. And look at Chris Thompson. Look, Mo knows he can catch Chris yet. But look at this. Mo doesn't want to kick too hard too soon. Gebrhiwet just being tested and wants to move out. He wants the good position to be able to attack here and trying to mess Mo Farah up for the first time. So they go around Chris Thompson. This will be a little bit different because Mo likes to be on the curb, likes to be on the inside. Surrounded by Kiptoo, Kipsiro, Gebrhiwet on the inside, Alamirew on the outside. Jeilan adrift of this group now. And Mo, for the second time, tries to take the lead. And again, Gebrhiwet holds him off. And once more for Mo Farah, he wants to be in the front of the bell, he wants to be on the curb. Gebrhiwet won't give it up. The three of them starting to pull away from the rest. These are the two dangers. These are the two men who've won on the circuit. These are the two youngsters who Ethiopia think can take on Mo Farah at the World Championships. Gebrhiwet holding the inside, the World Junior record holder, the Olympic champion on his shoulder. Alamirew trying to stay with them down the back straight. The gears starting to be shifted through now. Mo Farah doesn't want to let Alamirew come on the outside. Gebrhiwet trying to hold the inside. And Farah takes the initiative. And now he moves to the front. He hasn't been able to come across Gebrhiwet yet. And Alamirew right on his shoulder. This is going to go all the way to the wire. Farah's got to be cheered on by the crowd. Alamirew looks at him. And Farah goes again. You're going to take me on in my home crowd. Well, you've got to be better than this. Farah gets it again. Look at this. Brilliant last lap. 53.4. Touché. You cannot take him on in the last 600 meters. If they did not know that already, goodness me, do they know it now. They've got to find a different way to beat him. They were good. They really were good. They really pushed hard. And Farah had to dig deep. He had to find every ounce of speed and strength and endurance and energy that he could muster up. 25.8 for the last 200 meters. That is quick, really, really quick. And he knows he was in a race there, but he did what he had to do, Andrew. And this was really interesting. He couldn't get where he wanted to do, but he didn't panic then. And Gebrhiwet did everything he could to hold him off.
A race that more than lived up to his billing, and just picking up over the last two laps. But Gebrhiwet, we thought he might be the main threat. Alamirew, though, tremendous effort from Alamirew. But Farah, that was a real crash. I'm looking forward to the rematch in Moscow, perhaps in a couple of months' time, because Alamirew showed tremendous speed, and you say 25, just under 26 seconds the last 200. This was serious stuff. It was a sort of comedy final lap in Gateshead from Mo Farah, but this was the real deal, and he's shown us that he is still the main man, the man to beat.
I love that little look across, as if to say, you're kidding me. We're flat out here, and Mo just got that little bit extra surge, didn't he, with about 70 to go. He won in the end by about half a second. And nobody's finished races as well as he does. You know, nobody does this better than Mo Farah. And if he just continues keeping himself, getting in good shape, and he keeps this speed, then, of course, we hope we're heading for a great summer with Mo in Moscow. He's with Phil now.
Oh, what a performance. Brought the roof down again, Mo. These young pretenders trying to take the throne from you, and you're not going to have it.
Yeah, no, the kids wanted, the younger guys wanted to beat me. You know, I'm the man to beat. But today, you know, I had to dig in deep. The pace was slow. Conditions not great. It's really windy, so it was important, you know, you come out here and win the race.
And tactically, you seem to have it in control throughout, even when you were shoved from the inside to the out.
Yeah, the guys were working as a team, and you know they will try and work out as a team for sure. But you know, you've got to hold your form and just make sure you have something left.
Now you seem to be in great form again after, we saw you lose in Eugene when you weren't so well. Now you're back bang on form. What's next? What can we look forward to?
I'm training hard and it's all about the World Championship. So for me, it's just, keep training hard. I'm off to Samaras tomorrow morning. It should be great.
High altitude training and then more highs hopefully in Moscow. Thanks a lot, Mo. Well done.